guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how we transformed our laundry room in our new build house. Now this was right when we moved in last August, so it has been quite some time, but I am so happy how this turned out and so excited to share it with you guys, how we transformed this area. So if you guys are excited for this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, make sure to subscribe down below. First, we are going to prep these boards that we got from Home Depot and taking this special walnut stain. I will have everything that I can listed down below for you guys so you can know the exact things that we used. Before we take the boards upstairs, we are going to seal them. We're just using some poly, and we are using the bigger board for a shelf that goes around our washer and dryer. As you can see, we're taking a 2x4 here and just trying to make this shelf a little more sturdy. We don't need anything crazy for over the washer and dryer, but this is how we went about it. We love the way that this shelf came out. This is where we keep all of our Tide Pods, our scent beads. I will be putting most of the decor on top of here, but we will be removing it, of course, when we put the shelving above it up and when we do the board and batten. Now we're going to start measuring for our board and batten. As you can see to the left, we already put up our shelving, but I will kind of backtrack and show you guys how those go up, and I will redecorate because I have changed some things. I'll leave the dimensions that we used in the description box down below. It's been so long that I can't remember how high up we put the board and batten. Once we get the board and batten hung, we're going to paint that, which I will show you guys the exact color that we used. It is by Bear and it's pesto green. Like I said, everything will be in the description box down below. If you guys have never done board and batten, it is very easy to do. I think I could do it by myself, as long as I could figure out the math part. Above the board and batten, we're going to do some wallpaper that I picked up from Target, which will also be linked down below. These MDF boards are from Home Depot. I will try to find the exact link of what we used. Curtis is just cutting them down to size here, and then he is going to start securing them to the wall. Once you have secured them to the wall, you're going to have a bunch of little nail holes, so go ahead and take some plastic wood and that will fill in the holes, and then you can go ahead and sand over that and then paint. You also don't want to forget to caulk. This is the finishing touch to this project. It totally ties everything together and makes it look like it came with the house. The exact color that we are using to paint our board and batten. This is from Home Depot by Bear. We are taking our Wagner paint sprayer to paint this wall. This was the first time we actually used our paint sprayer and we were absolutely amazed. It took like no time to do. We're absolutely in love with it. This is what we've used for a lot of our accent walls in our house. So if you guys don't have a paint sprayer already, I highly recommend it. Once the paint is dry, I'm going to start the wallpaper process, which let me tell you guys, this is the most tedious / frustrating process ever. I made it seem like it goes really fast, but it truly doesn't. And we got very frustrated by the end of it, but it was so worth it. I love the way that it looks. We did have to go back in with a wall adhesive to actually get it to stick to our walls. It ended up falling down within a couple months. Our walls are really textured here in Colorado, so once we put that adhesive behind it, it has held up perfectly fine. So if you do have textured walls, I would highly recommend getting some type of adhesive to make it stick to the wall. Shelves above our washer and dryer. We did get these brackets from Home Depot, which I will try to find the exact link to for you guys and put down below. We are now putting the other shelf right above the washer and dryer. Love the way that the stain came out. I feel like it goes really well with all of the color choices that we picked. The shelf that we're putting in now is one of my favorites. We have all of our items that we use when we do laundry sat on here, so it makes it really convenient. Now for my favorite part, which is styling these shelves. I have so much fun decorating. I used a lot of items that we already had around our house and just put them up there to add a little bit of style. We were going to add some upper cabinets to our laundry room above our sink area to the left of where we are. We decided against that so that we wouldn't accumulate even more junk that we don't need. I feel like we have enough storage in this house. We do not need any more. I wanted to show you guys this shelf that Curtis actually built. It is a hanging shelf. Everything, again, is from Home Depot, and it was really simple and easy to make and really inexpensive. So here I'm just going to be styling this area. This is where we hang all of our clothes that can't be dried in the dryer. We put them on hangers and then let them hang here. It is very convenient and one of my favorite parts of our laundry room. I also wanted to show you guys our new cordless stick vacuum cleaner. We love keeping one of these in our laundry room. We have our cat's litter box in here, so this is a complete must. We grab this thing every day and clean up the litter so that we're not stepping on it. This is by the brand Homika, and I will have the link in the description box down below. It has 3 different speeds, and we have really been loving it. There is a discount code for you guys with the link, so make sure to check it out if you guys have been looking for a new stick vacuum. When building our house, we did add a few extra outlets to make things a little more convenient for us. One of them was in our laundry room, and we did put one in our pantry, so we do have a vacuum over there as well. Just makes it so easy to just be able to grab the vacuum and clean up whatever mess is made in the area that you're in, and I feel like we are in the laundry room and kitchen quite often. I have gotten so many questions about our lint bin. This is from Amazon, and I will have it linked down below for you guys. It is just magnetic, so you just put it on the side of your washer or dryer. I personally put it on our washer so you can actually see it when you walk into the laundry room. It is more aesthetically pleasing, so I didn't mind if people saw it. I'm just going to wipe down our washer and dryer because they get very dusty and dirty pretty fast. And last but not least, we are going to hang up these metal wall flower decor pieces that our neighbor actually got us. Our model homes were having a yard sale, and she picked these up for me, and they are the perfect finishing touch to this area. Just going to add a couple more decor pieces, and that is it. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. I would love to hear your opinions in the comments down below of how you think this transformation turned out. If you guys do not already, please make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I am a lot more active over there than I am here on my YouTube channel. I will have a link in the description box down below as always. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.